got this new LED motion sensor light that you can see I've got laid out here. It's got 3 different pieces that are fully adjustable. It's got this detector that's up to 180 degrees or even 270, I believe. Here's the piece I need to put on the wall using these screws, and then one screw will go right through the middle of this. Simple enough install, red to red, black to black, green to green. Put it up on the wall with a waterproof seal. And then I'll show you, I'm going to put this inside my garage as a motion detector out front. Alright, so up here you can see I've got a receptacle that is wired to a switch down here for a light, and then that's going to illuminate my nice big garage. Okay, so this will go in right like that, and it will be held to the blue box with these little screws, and then any one of these multi-length screws will be used to hold it on the wall, like if we're going through stucco or anything extra or sheetrock or whatever, but I'll just probably need the shorter one. Alright, so for this install I need to put this ring basically right like that with the wires tucked all inside the hole. So I need to set this up, connect all the wires, tuck all the wires in, and then put this on, and then I can put the light on. Alright, we got her set up, white to white, black to black, green to green, and we're going to tuck this all in, and then we are going to secure this metal plate. Alright, now you can see that plate's installed. This is hanging down. I just need to put one screw through the middle of this from there. So take a note, these are larger diameter than these. These are to hold the metal plate on, these are to hold the actual light on. You can use the shorter one or the longer one. Okay, wow, that thing is bright. That thing's lighting up the wall all the way along here in the shop. Got a motion sensor on it. It only stays on for a couple of seconds, but I just moved and it came right back on. I can get up and adjust it and kind of adjust the lights a little bit too. But wow, what a great product. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so I could do an install and a review. Alright, one more cool thing to note. This is the time delay, anywhere between 10 seconds and 7 minutes. And it will reset after, like if you've had it on for 5 minutes and you walk through the sensor again, it'll come back on for another 7. This is whether you want it to run during the day or not, and this is a sensitivity on distance for walking up to it, and you can just play with those and adjust them. And then once again, you can see this thing is bright as ever.